Wait lang. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm Neil Javen A. Panganiban, and I'm 17 years old, and I'm CLHS, and my section is 204, and I'm second year college, and I love music. That's why I joined to this kind of competition, and I joined to this because of my friend, and I also want to.
Araw-araw kang lumuluha sa akin ay nakakalawan. Nooy di narinig pagsama mo. Bakit ba nagawa sa taguan isang tulad mo na basta nagmamahal? Di napansin na walang pinangalan ang pag-ibig sa akin. Ako sana